Yeah, what you doing? Ah, yeah, you're chattering up a storm and chirping and everything, and the second I get the camera out. I was even on my phone. There you go. Yeah. It's even on my phone, and the second that I change it to the camera and put it on its side, you clam up. You are a silly, silly bird. You are a silly, silly bird. That is right. You're so funny. Beep, is there your smoke alarm? At least you don't do it while I'm cooking anymore. What? The inner Livy's trying to sleep. Yeah, did you forget she was here? She's upstairs. She's just trying to sleep. Yeah, so you gotta be shh, okay? You can't be screaming through the house like that. I think it's funny. She doesn't complain about you screaming. She complains about Sonic chirping. Right now, Sonic's got her butt in the air because she's going through the food bowl. Otherwise, we'd probably be hearing her singing along, huh? You're a lovely bird. What a lovely baby bird. What a lovely baby bird. You gotta be shh. Okay. You wanna talk? You wanna talk? You wanna use your words? That's not a word. That's not a word, Athena. Stick your leggy out real far. Is that what you're doing? You're so cute. You're so beautiful. I'm glad you're playing with that big paper toy. Or I guess it's not paper, it's like husks or something. But yeah, I'm glad you're playing with it. At long last. I only got it for you in January. Oh, lovely bird. Lovely bird. You're so gorgeous. Yeah, Brian's over. Brian's visiting. You like Brian? You like Brian? He's a funny puppy, huh? Yeah, what? Can you say that again? I heard you mumbling something. You want to talk? You have such a cute voice. I want to hear you talk. Oh, hi. Beep. Bless you. Hi. So gorgeous. So gorgeous. Hey, Theta, what's the dog say? What's the doggy say? Yeah, that's right. Doggy goes, woof. Could barely hear it, but I did hear it. What's the kitty cat say? What's the kitty cat say? I know you know this one. No, that's not what a kitty cat says. That's what you say. What's a kitty cat say? Oh, kitty cat says, meow. I know you know that one. What's a dog say? Good girl. That's right. You're so smart. What's Athena say? Athena says anything she wants. Athena, what's a dog say? I'm going to need a better answer than that. Come on, you just said it. What's a dog say? No, that's not what a dog says. No, that's not what you should be saying either. Well, say it quieter anyway. Beep. Beep. That's your special whistle, isn't it? Oh, good girl. Yeah, you gonna play with your tube? Or are you just gonna knock it with your beak? You're so sweet. You're such a sweetie bird. Such a sweetie bird.